scene. This is my favorite scene, in my opinion. It's the most cinematic shot. I didn't have this particular album. I don't want to say I didn't see anything like it, but I don't remember seeing anything like it. I appreciated how dark this visual was. You know, a lot of grays, blacks, very much toned down, shadows, empty but full enough for you to feel something. It coordinated with the song. I sound like a nerd. I know, but it's raining throughout this entire video. And if you don't know, I love a rain shot in film, music, videos, real life.